और अगर बच्चों की बात करें या पेरेंट्स की बात करें, आजकल का दौर बहुत ही अलग है। जैसे मैंने पहले भी कहा कि 90s का जो हमारा जनरेशन था, 70s 80s 90s का, वो अलग था। अभी जेन जी का दौर चल रहा है। एंड टुडे इफ वी सी द पेरेंट्स एंड एज किड्स हु आर इनटू टीनेज, वी आर स्ट्रगलिंग टू हैंडल समथिंग विच इज़ रियली वेरी डिफिकल्ट बट नीड्स टू बी हैंडल्ड एज वेल। व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दैट? तो हमारी ही कल्चरल कमेटी की एक मेंबर है जो इसी प्रॉब्लम पे, मैं प्रॉब्लम नहीं बताऊंगा, लेकिन इसी प्रॉब्लम पे टू एड्रेस दिस प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज वी सी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स हैपनिंग अराउंड। और बच्चे जो है, ये मोबाइल जनरेशन है, मतलब कुछ कार्टून्स आते रहते हैं कि बच्चा मम्मी डैडी को पूछता है कि आपने मुझे इंटरनेट से डाउनलोड किया था क्या। बट jokes apart, there are some very sensitive issues which need to be handled, taken care of, and we thought, the cultural committee rather thought that this can be there cannot be a better opportunity than this to address this issue in a very short span of time. I know संगीत मंच का प्रोग्राम आप देखने के लिए आए हो, लेकिन ये अपॉर्चुनिटी था कल्चरल कमेटी के लिए कि कुछ सोशल भी किया जाए। तो इसी बात पे आपको एनलाइटन करने, आपको हम सबको एनलाइटन करने मैं स्टेज पे आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगा वृंदा जी को। शी हैज़ बीन कंडक्टिंग सेशंस ऑल अराउंड on this special issue or situation which is really difficult to handle for parents and kids. Vrinda ji, please.
गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन। आप सब मुझे जानते हैं, वृंदा सारस्वत। आई ऑल्सो वर्क एज अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट। आई टेक ऑफलाइन एंड ऑनलाइन सेशंस फॉर ऑल एज ग्रुप्स फ्रॉम एज 5 to geriatric, which is old age. Okay, so I have conducted workshops as well for mental well-being, for teams, for teachers, and I also take workshops for anti-addiction. We always hear of de-addiction, which happens after you get addicted. So this is the drive which is anti-addiction. Before you get into the addiction, these are the precautions that you will be taking. And generally it is seen that children at the age of 10 plus get into this, you can call it as a fixation, जहाँ उनको किसी चीज़ की आदत हो जाती है। स्क्रीन, खाना, सब्सटेंस। अब स्क्रीन में जाएंगे तो हम इंटरनेट एडिक्शन होता है। उस दिन हम लोगों ने स्किट देखा था बुलिंग के ऊपर, विच वॉज अ वेरी गुड मैसेज बाय चिल्ड्रन, एंड इट आई एम टेकिंग फॉरवर्ड फ्रॉम वेयर दे स्टॉप्ड एज यू शुड नॉट बी डूइंग बुलिंग और यू शुड नॉट बी बुलिंग समवन और गेटिंग बुलीड। बट द साइकोलॉजिकल रीजन बिहाइंड bullying or getting bullied is the same. If you see a child bullies because he feels that I don't have control over myself, so I can control somebody else. So they find reason and they try to control them. And the child who is getting bullied doesn't speak up because he thinks that I don't have control over myself, so at least somebody is controlling me. And this happens generally. So let's begin with parents and children. I know everybody here, including me, we are all the best set of parents that we can be. In our limitations, हम अपना best देते हैं हमारे बच्चे को। हमेशा कोशिश ये करते हैं कि हम उनके साथ बिल्कुल fair रहें, लेकिन we are at the same time human beings. And we do things sometimes which work on parents' psyche as well as children's psyche. So I will say few statements here. अगर आप उन स्टेटमेंट से आयडेंटिफाय करो, अगर वो स्टेटमेंट ते तुम्हाला तुमच्या हृदयाला भिडले तर तुम्ही हात वरती करू नका, पण फक्त हे जाणून घ्या की हे मला असं काहीतरी होतंय नाही. And in this there is nothing wrong and right. Whatever you feel is actually what is happening. So इसमें कुछ गलत या सही नहीं होता है. So I'll just read for some statements. मला चष्मा आहे. If you want, you can raise the hands. If you don't feel like, it's completely fine. I like to, very good. I could see children doing that. I like to play games on mobile. Writing is my favorite time pass. When I get angry, I cry. In sweets, I like to eat laddus. When I am alone, I think of reading a book. Phone keeps me occupied in my free time. I like to drink coffee. I cook sometimes. I am good at narrating a story. When I am with my friends, I don't look at my mobile. Sometimes I get angry for no reason. I like to remain quiet and not talk when I am upset. When I was a child, I was disciplined a lot by my parents. When my parents are happy, I feel a lot lighter. Okay, so these statements somewhere stated how a child feels when these things are happening. Okay, so like I said, parents are all the best set of parents that a child can get. But generally what happens is, if we are a working parent, which is the need of the hour, both the parents have to work and there is no time for the child, we compensate it with some materialistic thing. Like when a mom comes back from office और बच्चे को कहना है कि मम्मी मुझे आपसे बात करनी है, आता नहीं है, मला स्वयंपाक करायचा आहे, नंतर बोलते मी तुझ्याशी. But in that moment the child wants to be heard. It can be a mundane thing. छोटी सी बात होगी कि मैं आज नीचे गया और वॉचमैन काका ने मुझे देख के हंसा. That might be hurtful for your child. And if you just give him that 2 minutes, he will feel heard. And if you don't do that, which I completely agree, even I do talk to my children, I have done to my children. So what happens is that child learns to think that I am not important for my mom. And this feeling that I am not important gives them, see, children never hate their parents. They can never do that. Because by default they are here to love you. And in return they expect only love from you. So if you are saying that I don't have time, child feels that something is wrong with me. That's why my mom doesn't give me time. And when that thing happens, the child starts feeling less about themselves. And that's when they go out, they make friends when they grow up. They take that feeling of not being enough with them. And that's how they make friends who can bully them. There is anger also, which they don't know to express. Now, when they come to adolescence, the limbic system, which is this part of the brain, gets activated in their puberty, when they get periods, when boys grow up, their beards are growing, their mustache is growing. In that age, the limbic system is very active, and that's where they are very high on emotions. They have a lot of emotions which they don't know how to manage. And when they come to their parents, okay, another thing is, when children are small, girls and boys both are playing together, but as they grow, we start telling girls, आता तू नहीं खेळायचं त्यांच्या बरोबर, आता तू मुलींबरोबर खेळायचं. मग त्यांना वाटतं की कल तक मैं जो लड़कों के साथ खेल सकती थी, आज मम्मी क्यों मुझे ऐसे बोल रही है. We don't give them reasons because we think that it is not their age to understand it. Yes, fair enough. They don't have understanding about it, but they do have experience of that in their body. They are experiencing all those changes. And their emotions think that my mama doesn't understand what is happening to me. So the lack of communication happens in that age. A lot of teenagers have anger issues. A lot of teenagers have no talk time. I don't talk to my parents because my parents don't understand me. So I would suggest parents that we give them care, we give them comfort, but we stop the last C, which is communication. Keep that channel open. Talk to your children. नई बात करेंगे किसी भी बहाने से, आज उनके साथ बैठो, बात करो. त्यांना म्हणा की काय झालं आज, हां पण त्यांच्या अभ्यासाबद्दल नाही विचारायचं, because that is the least topic they want to talk to you, because in that age they are in 8th standard, 9th standard, 10th standard, which is a difficult phase physically as well as academically. So they think that अभी मम्मी क्या बोलेगी कि तेरे मार्क्स कम आए, तेरी हैंडराइटिंग अच्छी नहीं है, तू बैग का टाइम पे भरता नहीं है, तू ये नहीं करता है, तू वो नहीं करती है, तू दिन भर टीवी देखती रहती है, तू शीशे के सामने ही खड़ी रहती है. So these are the talks we are giving them, constant instructions, but we are not listening what is happening to her. Why she is standing in front of the mirror, we all know, because she wants to admire herself. So you admire her. You give that validation. Now when we don't do that, the child goes to the mobile. Now mobile is an addictive thing because it is giving constant gratification. जब हम देखते हैं मोबाइल पे जो रील्स आ रही हैं, वो रील्स में हमको हंसाते हैं वो. So dopamine is released. All the happy hormones are released. So child feels, whenever he or she feels alone, they go back to the screen. Or they go back to the screen, and on screen there are a lot of things that the children are watching. You will be shocked to know that there is a research where it is being said that children at the age of 9 are addicted to pornography. Now if a child is watching porn at age of 9, how dangerous it will be for that child to understand what is happening on the screen. They don't understand that. They don't understand it at all. But still they are watching it. Now when the same child comes and tells, for example, अगर पापा मम्मी को पता चल गया कि वो देख रहा है, फिर तो उसका काम ही खत्म. मोबाइल ले लिया जाएगा, 10 बातें सुनाई जाएगी, लेकिन कभी ये नहीं समझा जाएगा कि उसने कहाँ से शुरुआत करी, क्यों देखना चाहता है, देख के क्या समझ में आ रहा है. Have those difficult discussions with your children. It's okay. And I would always say, let them make mistakes at home so that they don't make mistakes outside. Because when we don't give them answers, they go and talk to their friends. और उनके friends उन्हीं के एज के हैं, उनको भी उतनी ही समझ है जितनी तुम्हारे बच्चे को है. Another thing is they don't understand the cause and effect formula when they are doing risky behavior like doing drugs or speed driving or going out at night without telling their parents, because the rational, this side of brain is not connected to the limbic system yet, so they don't have rationality. उनका adrenaline हमेशा high रहता है. They are going to take risky behaviors. So talk to them कि तुझे ये, तू कल गया था बाहर, मुझे पता चला. Is it safe for you to go outside? You can tell me and then go. At least I will know that you are outside with your friends. Maybe once or twice, शायद उसको विश्वास नहीं होगा, क्योंकि it's not easy to, I'll tell you, it's not easy to take the trust of your children that easily. वो दिखाते हैं कि मैं आपसे बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, मैं आपको ट्रस्ट करता हूँ, but they don't trust you. That is for sure. क्योंकि उनको उनकी नज़र में, और दूसरी बात, आजकल एक ये नई चीज़ हुई है कि पेरेंट्स बोलते हैं मैं मेरे बच्चों का फ्रेंड हूँ. No, don't become their friend. They have lots of friends outside. Be their parent. They require parent because they have only one set of parent in their life, which is you. उनको friends बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. आप उनके friend कभी मत बनिए, उनके parent रहिए, क्योंकि आपके पास wisdom है, आपके पास rational behavior है, आपके पास rational thoughts है, जो आप उनको दे सकते हो. If they take all those things from outside, they are going to go the way that you don't want them to. Maybe share your experiences of your teenage. Tell them that this happened when I was a girl or a boy in college. I did this mistake. They will take you as human beings, because when the child is growing, you are the role model. हम भगवान के जैसे होते हैं उनके लिए. मेरे पापा सब कुछ कर सकते हैं, मेरे पापा के लिए कुछ भी impossible नहीं है. But when the same papa is doing something wrong, like telling on the phone कि मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ, बोल दे मैं बाहर गया हूँ, the child gets confused. Which papa should I trust? The one who is telling lies and telling me not to tell lies? So accept your mistakes, own your mistakes. And the last thing that I will tell is, don't become an authoritarian or a passive parent. Become an authoritative parents, where you take the authority और उनको अथॉरिटी लेने का मौका दीजिए. वो जो भी काम कर रहे हैं उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने का मौका दीजिए की आज तू जातोय एकटा, परत येईपर्यंत तुझी जबाबदारी स्वतःची काळजी घेण्याची. मी तुझ्या मागे येणार नाही, मी तुला फोन करणार नाही, मी विचारणार नाही कधी येणार आहेस. एक दो बार हाँ, एज अ मदर, एज अ फादर, इट विल बी वेरी टफ टाइम टू वो टाइम घर पे निकालना कि जब तक बच्चा वापस नहीं आ जाता. लेकिन इफ यू शो दैट ट्रस्ट टू योर चिल्ड्रन, डेफिनेटली दे विल कम एंड शेयर विथ यू वॉट एवर इज हैपनिंग. सो स्टार्ट दैट कम्युनिकेशन चैनल. एंड फॉर चिल्ड्रन आउट देयर, पीछे जो बैठे हैं टीनेजर्स, I would like to tell you, I know and I can understand what you are going through. It is always safe to tell your parents what you cannot tell them. I know वो डांटेंगे, I know वो तुमको ज्ञान देंगे, वो तुमको ये बोलेंगे कि नहीं करना चाहिए था, क्यों किया ये सब कुछ. फिर भी सबसे सेफ जो हो सकते हैं वो तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स हैं. इस दुनिया में पेरेंट्स से ज़्यादा सेफ्टी कोई नहीं दे सकता. सो स्टार्ट, एटलीस्ट डांटे भी तो बोलना चालू करो, बोलो उनको, कोई बात नहीं. एक बार डांटेंगे तो बोलना कि मम्मी डांटना मत, इससे शुरुआत करो कि मैं एक बात बताना चाहता हूँ, डांटना मत. जब वो अवेयरनेस में मम्मी के आएगा, शायद मम्मी भी इसलिए डांटती है क्योंकि वो पैनिक कर जाती है. शी इज ऑल्सो मदर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम टू अ टीनेजर. शी डजंट नो हाउ टू हैंडल हर इमोशंस एज वेल. सो गिव हर दैट स्पेस. And you also take your own space और बोलो कि मुझे ये करना है. So please keep that communication channel open for your children and for yourself. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.